music. Indie ground. Indie ground. New OPM. Indie ground PH. Manila's hottest radio station makes way for songs by talented independent bands and artists. Get introduced to some of the most promising names in original Filipino music. Future legends. This is Indie Ground. Indie Ground. If you're an unsigned artist, let the monster give you or your band that much-deserved radio airplay. Submit your original songs now by visiting facebook.com/indiegroundph. Facebook.com/indiegroundph. The monster believes in the future of OPM. Indie Ground PH. Indie Ground. Only on Manila's hottest monster. RX 93.1.
Indie ground. Indie ground.
Fresh Filipino discovery exclusively heard on the monster.
Indie ground.
Hindi na nakikinig ang
Kantang Walang Pamagat by Pixie Days. Are you a fresh artist? Got fresh music? Be discovered and be heard. Send in your demo on Facebook.com/IndieGramPH. Facebook.com/IndieGramPH.
What happened on the morning rush?
So you're attached to a big company. Kasi if you can like, diba, acquire other companies, it just means
Pero your services are only for them.
Yes.
Pag kunyari, sila yung mamimili.
Yes. Kung may gusto sila, o sige, gusto kong bumili ng, let's say, power plant. Gusto kong bumili niyan. So, i-assess nyo nga, okay ba yan? Okay ba itong kumpanya na to? Kasi binibenta na ni ganito, ni ganyan. Yun.
wow.
Grabe naman yan, ano? Parang gusto kong mamili ng
Power plant!
Kami mamimili sa power plant. Pero hindi kami bumibili
Bibili
ng power
ng power plant na naisip lang, diba?
Yes. Mga ganun. Naisip lang yan. Gusto ko
Sabi
lang.
nga ni Cindy, ako power bank lang ang kaya bilhin.
The Morning Rush. The Morning Rush. KBB Golden Double Warney's best comedy program. Catch it Monday to Friday, starting at 6 a.m. on Manila's hottest Monster RX 93.1. The 28th KBB Golden Double Awards, recognizing the best in Philippine broadcasting. And the Monster gets nominated 12 times. Finalist for Best FM Radio Station, Metro Manila. Finalist for Best Comedy Program, The Morning Rush. Finalist for Best Special Program, The Monster Year-End Countdown. Finalist for Best Public Service Program Host, Chico Garcia. Finalist for Best Music Radio Jock, Chico Garcia of The Morning Rush. Finalist for Best Variety Program Host, Hazel Hottie of TMR. Finalist for Best Podcast Program, The Morning Rush. Finalist for Best Radio PSA, The Search for the Monster Scholar. Finalist for Best Radio Station Promotional Material, Indie Ground PH. And winner for Best Podcast Program, heard on Thursdays. Also bringing home the trophy for Best Variety Program Host, Rico Robles of All Hours. And the KBP Golden Glove Award for Best Variety Program, The Concert Series. The 28th KBP Golden Glove Award, the best in Philippine broadcasting. Thank you to the kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas for the recognition. Manila's hottest is still the most awarded FM radio station in the Philippines. Monster RX 93.1.
The search for the Monster Scholar for the upcoming semester of school year 2025 to 2026. The search for the Monster Scholar.
Hi, I'm Bernadette H. Barrientos. I'm 21 years old. I'm from University of Caloocan City, taking up Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, and I'm in my third year. I would describe myself as a very hardworking person. I am an honor student po since elementary, and I graduated valedictorian. Graduated with highest honor in my junior high school. I am the middle child. My mother is the breadwinner of our family since my father po already passed away. Your situation doesn't define your potential. I know that there will be a lot of uncertainties, and sometimes you will feel that you're unsure of the path you're taking. Tuloy-tuloy lang kahit anong mangyari, and every small step is still progress. So do it, push yourself po, and kahit po mahirap, huwag po namin hayaan na i-eat up po kami na situation na gano'n. Through determination, there will be a door po that will open, of course, in the right time, in the right place, and in the right situation po.
The search for the Monster Scholar for the upcoming semester of school year 2025 to 2026. From the station that believes in the power of education. Manila's hottest, Monster RX 93.1.
We are the Student Jocks of Radio 1. We are the Student Jocks of Manila's hottest, Monster RX 93.1. Learning about music radio broadcasting firsthand in the Monster booth and giving you your crash course in cool school affairs. Radio 1. Radio 1.
Catch the Radio 1 Student Jocks.
Catch the Radio 1 show every Saturday afternoon. You're welcome to enter the chat and join the fun. Giving you a crash course in cool school affairs.
Radio 1.
Radio 1. The Monster special like no other. Only on Manila's hottest, Monster RX 93.1.